like back in the 1980s. I remember the 80s. You know, the big red letters, D.A.R.E, D.A.R.E. Big thing to like, especially for children, I think. What do you call that? The 90s too, I think. Yeah, the programs that they had going on, it was like really just a lot about like how bad drugs are. The stuff that they're doing today, like, I mean, I'm right across here from the police department. I'll try to show it to you. Right behind my car there. I've seen them come in and they look like they're just pretty much just searching for drugs. So, whatever happened to that, you know? I mean, they're pretty much just getting heroin and cocaine. That stuff was like really like unheard of back then. They just did like, I think they did like speed and like, what do you call that thing? Just speed and pot. Now they're like, oh, that's just the right, you know, you could, well, right on here, you can probably smell it every now and then, people smoking it, just walking around. But I'm just making this video for the, you know, situation with regard to children in this country. Most recently, of course, yeah. Michaela, I love her so very much. We disagreed about marijuana and its use.
Oh, yes.
Do you realize there are people being picked up or charged, catching a case for, they call it child endangering, because they are in possession of pot or around somebody. It's illegal in Ohio. Okay, this is Ohio, by the way. Still to this day. Which, you know, back in the 90s, that was like, duh. 80s. We got to get back to that, y'all. I mean, you see what's going on, like how many people are just like overdosing and dying. Like it's whatever. And this is our children here in our country. We need to really take love. I want to say take responsibility, but I don't.
Excuse us.
You're basically responding, so I don't like that. I prefer in your ability. It's not about our ability. How about just step it up and love? Let's get back to D.A.R.E Plus, D.A.R.E 2.0. The schools. You know, even you know, my second wife, Johanna, her family, bunch of drug addicts. She had no problem being around them. And my first wife, Jennifer, I love these women. I'm the leader. You understand me? We're making America clean again.